How can we convert a URL to video using ZEBRACAT AI? Well, once we've logged into the ZEBRACAT platform, we go to URL to video, and there it is. It shows us how to turn a blog post into a video. So we click on Start URL to Video. As you can see, we have options like Prompt to Video, URL to Video, and more. We select URL to Video, choose English, and pick a blog post as an example. Look, they've provided an example, so let's use that, okay? It shows the video duration. Let's set it to 30 seconds and choose add for the story type. This post is basically about affiliate marketing, okay? It's a topic we sometimes cover on the channel, but not this time. Here we have two scripts, script 1 and script 2. Let's choose script 1, hit next step, and see how it creates the video. So it gives us different options here, right? It offers image movement with AI, avatar plus AI image, okay? I don't see the AI image here, just the avatar. AI video, got it. The AI video could be interesting, but it says coming soon, no? So they don't have it yet. There's stock footage. Let's try moving images, realistic or animation. Animation, yeah? Next step. Let's see what it does with a complex concept like affiliate marketing. We've got voice, mood. Let's generate and see what we get. Okay, it's loading now. Let's check out the result. Alright, here's what we got. There's the animation, but I don't get it. Mom told me I seemed like a boy character, but maybe I changed it to a girl in the end. Makes sense, right? Anyway, here we have the subtitles, okay? The music, well, it's potato music, alright? Literally, that's what we've got. So there we have a bit of the generation. Honestly, I'm not loving the images here. It shows someone explaining, but you can't really see what's being explained, you know? There's some analytics in the background, but it's just generic stuff, right? Maybe it'd be cooler to generate images more related to the topic you're discussing. I get it's tricky, that's why I chose affiliate marketing. I mean, what do you even show for that, you know? So, yeah, the video's fine, effects are good, but it's a bit samey. Oh, and the watermark moves from top left to bottom right. Didn't notice that before. So, yeah. Alright, so how do we remove the ZEBRACAT watermark? Let's move on to the final part, which is the payment plans, okay? We've already seen the entire tool. I found the tool to be really good, right? So let's click on view plans, and here we have the paid options. Monthly, they offer a free plan with 10 credits, about 4 minutes of use for $40 a month, which is quite pricey. We get 120 credits or 30 minutes. That's roughly enough for 15 to 30 videos. Not much, is it? Then for a whopping $98 a month, you only get 70 minutes. The annual plan cuts the price in half, but still, $15 a month for 30 minutes still seems too low. Let's be real, the cost to make a video like this with voice and images isn't $1 per video. No way, not even close, right? I honestly don't know where they're spending the money, but it seems ridiculous. Maybe premium in AI visuals means something specific? Does it refer to having better models? I must say the image generating models are doing a great job. That's clear, but it's not groundbreaking. It's just making an image, you know, that's all. So these are the prices. Clearly it's way cheaper than a video editor. AI does it all automatically, but hey, it's up to you to decide. Hope you enjoyed this.